The Lomawai project was really earmarked for next year, 2014, but there were some health issues, and the Ministry of Health had written to us requesting if we could fast-track the implementation of the project due to breakout of some skin diseases this year. So, we went and had a meeting, an urgent meeting in Suva to insert this project to this year's program. And we've seen today the completion of the project. So it was $117,000 worth of funds that was used for the implementation of this project. And we are happy that we set out our target to complete the rural projects before Christmas, and we are commissioning projects every week now to reach that target and achieve a goal that we've set out. The one we've done today, there's two we're doing tomorrow, and there's another one in Bemana. We had some difficulties with one of our suppliers, but if we miss Christmas, probably maybe only one or two, but we will not go to January. We'll finish before December 31st. But 90% or perhaps 95% of the projects we set out to complete before Christmas will be done before Christmas. Yes, there was a borehole that people used to use before, and somehow it got abandoned. It was only used during the drought, but it's a very good source. It never dries up, according to the stories we've heard. Even when there's a drought in Nadroga, that borehole always supplying water. So that's their source that we've tapped into, and we've installed a pump house there, and a pump and the reservoir we've built up in the mountains. And so that is their source, and according to them, that source never runs dry, even during the drought. So yes, but over 3 kilometers of pipes being laid in very difficult terrain, and we thank the villagers for assisting us in laying these pipes, and they've been very helpful in that regard.